Welcome. Let's look into why you should hire a professional for regular maintenance of your mini-split AC system. Mini-split AC is a great energy-efficient solution, but it needs regular maintenance to stay that way. Hiring a licensed contractor ensures your AC runs smoothly long-term, prevents costly repairs, and extends the lifespan of your equipment. Unlike DIY cleaning, a technician can assess, repair, and replace parts while performing maintenance tasks. Over time, dirty filters lead to poor air quality in your home. Proper maintenance helps prevent this. AC units come with a price tag, and consistent upkeep safeguards your investment, keeping the system efficient and dependable. Regular professional cleaning and servicing can optimize energy use and keep the monthly cost down. We offer maintenance services done by a qualified technician to ensure your home is comfortable. With regular maintenance, your AC continues to provide cooling comfort without interruption. Call or visit us online today.